Yan o, napaka-traffic guys. Yan. Ang ating model ay hindi na nilalamig, wala nang sweater, tinanggal na ang sweater sa katawan. Ang future model at actress. Simple lang ang kanyang itsura, at simple lang ang kanyang attire. Ayan ang kanyang attire. At ay yung buhok. Ayan, simple lang din, ako ang nag-ayos. Oh, look. Pretty. Ate! Oh, jeez. What happened?
I got a little bit of coke in my eye.
Go. Yan, parang Maynila lang dito, oh. Oh, yun ang building. Malaking building doon. Ayan. Nagutom sila. Sige, dance, 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 ate. Dance, 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 dance.
Ah! Okay.
Babalik na naman. Where you going?